Hello Aries, this is your channel messages for the 11th of May. Aries, let's see what is in your reading for today. Oh, I was hearing somebody by the name of Benedict. Somebody's name is Benedict. That sounds like this is a pope. Who is it? I'm getting somebody by the name of Benedict. Benedict? I don't think it's Benedict Cumberbatch. I don't think it's him. But I'm getting somebody by the name of Benedict. Let's go. We have the Ace of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting romantic feelings. Somebody has feelings for you. Or I'm getting, ooh, you don't know my name. Maybe somebody knows your first name, them don't know your last name. I'm getting something about your name. Something about your name. People always tell me my name pretty. I'm saying, your name's so pretty. Your name is so pretty. I love how your first and last name go together. I'm like, thank you. Thank you so much. We have something about your name. No, I don't know if a man have your name. If you and a man have the same name. Okay, but we're getting something about your name. Now, this could also be something about this person who have feelings for you. I'm getting a page of wands. It's an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Them have feelings for you too. Yeah, I'm getting them know you, you don't know them. But they may be closer to you than you actually think. We have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, where them work? Do they work near you? Do they work around you? I'm getting there's a guy. I don't know if him work where you live or him work where you work. I'm getting him have this huge crush on you. Him even turn him face. You see? Is somebody wearing a COVID-19 mask? I'm getting the person who love you off them a wear mask. Because you see, him face, you can't see him face. I see how your body look. I see whether you're tall or short. But I can't see your face. Are you wearing a COVID-19 mask because you feel like you're ugly? Sir, ugly man and get girl. You think ugliness will stop nobody? Ugliness. You think ugliness is stopping these motherfucking married men from cheating on them beautiful wives with ugly bitches? If girls can be blood clot, ugly man can be ugly too. I don't know who tell you say you're ugly. Who told you that? I don't know who tell you say you're ugly. Somebody tell you that? Who tell you? Come getting you have this huge crush on somebody that you work with. It could be a co-worker or somebody you work around. Them don't know. Come getting if you put on a mask, them not gonna see you. Them not gonna see you even smiling and being pleasant with them. Them don't know. Me getting you hide your face. What do you think is gonna happen? You think you're going to be with her, walk down the aisle with her, have sex with her, family photos with a COVID-19 mask on? You can't be that ugly, sir. You cannot be that ugly. You cannot. And if you feel like, and if it's confirmed that you're that ugly, we will find plastic surgery. We will find ways. Me getting you in. You have this huge crush, Aries, on somebody. Your Aries rule the head, your face. Me getting your whole body, your back, your ass, every single way. Cause some of them man look great from the back, right? Your ass, every single way, right? Me getting you're not insecure about your weight. You're not insecure about your height. Your face, you're insecure about. Can you not show your face? I don't know who tell you say ugly, sir. I couldn't me. Because me is not the one for going and tell man say them ugly. I will tell you say your dick small. I will tell you say you never fuck me right. I will tell you say you're a blood clot mean man because you want pussy from me but I can't beg you nothing. I will tell you that. I not call people son ugly. I will call bitches ugly. I will call girls ugly. I will say that girl is so fucking ugly. I will call a girl ugly. And if I hate you that much, but will call your child very, very ugly too. But me is not the one for going and call man ugly. But now I call no. And if a man tell you say me say so, blood clot a lie. I will tell him say him dick small, I will tell him say him is a mean man, I will tell him he is a fucking asshole, I will tell him to go fuck off. I not call man ugly. Ugly when me and girls in arguments. So I couldn't blood clot me. Let's go. The Ace of Cups is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting you in love with this girl. See her here? You're in love with her. Maybe you're saying she's in love with you, but she's too ugly for you. I don't know. Maybe there's a girl who had a crush on you and you're like, ew, she's ugly. I don't want her. Ew. I'm going to tell her I'm in a relationship. Ew. Maybe that's what it is. But she's obviously black. That girl is black. Nine of Pentacles, black. Page of Wands is clarified by... What's happening? Are you black? We're not black. What you think? I don't know what. You see? Okay, so it could be Because Page of Wands is melanated skin. It don't have to be black, but King of Pentacles is black. So it's either yes, you're too light skin. Either yes, I don't know who, I don't know where you cut. Wait, what is happening? Because even if you're not black and the Page of Wands is black, you have a black mentality. Your mentality, black. This is like an Indian person with a black mentality. Or an Arabic person with a black mentality. I don't know if you're saying that somebody's saying them only date black men. Okay. But me get to get in love with her. Maybe you want to know her history as to what type of man she dealt with. Because she's a Knight of Pentacles. She's in the middle. You don't know if she like older man with money or younger men with energy. Because just because them old and have money, them will fuck you once a month. That's part of the reason why I didn't, I could accept money from a man. I don't want to fuck you because they do something nice for me. Let's continue reading. Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Five of Swords. I'm getting your co-worker tell you, say, no, she already fucking this man. Is there something about a fat black man? A fat black guy? Because I'm getting you like this girl and somebody tell you, say, no, she already fucking this man. And you're like, oh, I never know that underneath the quiet. I never know. I'm getting a lie. I'm getting your co-workers or whoever around you don't want. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I feel like, what is this? I don't know what this is. I can't tell you who is the ugly one. The Two of Swords is clarified by the... Yeah, me getting I get blocked. Me getting all you have to do is walk up to somebody and ask them something, but me getting get shitting terrified that them call you ugly. Are you ugly? Are you ugly? You're that ugly? Girl who don't ugly I get lip injections. Because me hear one white man say one time that when the girl them who don't have no lips suck them dick, it feel like a child sucking them dick because them not have no lips. Don't ask me, I want white man tell me that. So them fucking say, them say your lip, them say, oh, girl, them lip is as thin as a fucking child's lip. So you go around calling somebody big lips, right? Now you're the same person who said that the thin lips them feel like it's a child lip around your blood clot dick. Didn't what you just said, oh. Anyways, people do plastic surgery all the time. Bitches get BBL all the time. Maybe you want the plastic surgery. Is it that bad though? And then when you're pretty, you worry about height. You see how them man stay? We have the soul was soul. Yeah, I don't know who the fuck call you ugly. I make it feel like you look like a monster. How you know that? Who tell you? Who said that? Who said that? Or who says somebody says so? You need to hear it from the source. We have Venus. Yeah, love. One thing, me say girl love ugly man. Me say enough girl in Hollywood there with ugly. Look on Iggy Azalea, baby father. Him up. Look on look on Iggy Azalea, baby father. Is he the prettiest? Is he the pretty? Is he like DDG? Cause DDG cute. DDG very, very cute. Very cute. He has, when him grow up, cause him still childish, when him grow up into a man, like when him go in him 30s, when him it's like a Wiz Khalifa, just mature. Wiz Khalifa is a big man. Like DDG them and even what everybody, the guy upon Kaisenat team, the D guy, what his name? The D1, Derek, him name. You know who I'm talking, right? Him immature minded too. Them have kids mind. You see when them reaching them 30s, looks no blood clot matter. Let me tell you that. Let me fucking tell you that. Because half of these bitches who go to Jamaica for black man, believe me, them fucking them for them dick, not them fucking looks. Get the fuck out of here. We have Sagittarius. Yeah. Did somebody call a Sagittarius ugly? And that them blood clots say? That them say? Sagittarius, you know me, I your top slut, baby. Hope you know that. That's what they said. That's what the fuck they said. Sagittarius, me, I your top slut, baby. Hope you know that. And the ugly man, them a blood clot, fuck your girl there. But that's why you're mad. That's why you're mad. Because your girl so-called run left you for the so-called quote-unquote ugly man. Is that what they said about it, Sagittarius? Is that what they said? I said, and no blood clot me. It never come from my mouth. It may have came from the mouth of an Italian. And no blood clot me. Sagittarius, me and your top sluts, baby. Hope you know that. Me say me want there where you there, and me no want go nowhere. I sweet like magic. I swear to body, you are the baddest. I don't know who said what, but it's a lie. And I don't know why you're wearing a COVID-19 mask. Cancer. Maybe a cancer said it too. You must have cancer in your brain. I don't know why you think you're ugly, sir. I don't know who tell you that. I'm gonna call one bitch who have a baby father who a fuck on her, or one man who have a girl who a fuck on him tell you that you believe? Why would you believe that? People are programming you to think you're ugly so you don't show your face, so you don't look in the mirror. Sweetie, have you not learned by now? You should not give a fuck what people think. Your power does not come from the masses liking you. Your power comes from acceptance without being acknowledged. Talking about you fucking ugly. So is that fucking retarded looking child? That's ugly. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna leave it here. Aries, until next time, bye.